Today we are here for learning the arithmetic progression. So, any idea, Mary and Lisa, about arithmetic progression? How, what it is? Okay, that's fine. So, do you understand series? How does series work? So, can you just tell me any simple series that comes in your mind? That could be anything, not related always to mathematics. Any real life scenario series, anything you can just tell me. I hope we
Uh,
are binging on Netflix and other platforms. So there we hear series. Why is that called series? Any idea? So series is something which is having episodes, right? We whenever we are watching any series on maybe on Netflix or some other OTT platform. So we always get to hear now about series, right? So series means it's not a full-fledged picture or a movie. It is broken down into similar timing intervals, almost similar timing intervals, some smaller parts, right? You have a series of 5 episodes, you have a series of 13 episodes. So each episode, if you notice, they're almost of equal length. Maybe everything is of 40 minutes, everything is of 20 minutes, almost the similar timing. So series is something where you find a repetitive notion, okay? Some repetitive movement. So over there you are in a normal life when you're binging on some OTT platform, so you're watching a series, it means you are continuously working or seeing something of a similar concept which is broken down into smaller parts. So that is the episodes which you see. So this is the real life example I said. Now coming to mathematics, how do we define a series? So there are some numbers, say I put it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this could be called a series. So 1, then 2, then 3. Then what is the difference between each number? 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. So it goes like this. So it's a series of natural numbers. Okay. Similarly, I can have a series like this 5, 10, 15, 20. Like this also I can go, which is like the table of 5. So each time it is increasing by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it's a series of 5. So the difference between each number is 5. So if the second number and first number I do, and the difference is similar in each cases. Okay. Whereas we can have a series like this also. Say 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. So there we can't find differences, but in the it changes in power, right? It is increasing in format. So there are two type of progressions which we have in mathematics. One is called the arithmetic progression and another is called the geometric progression. Okay. So the first one which I defined where the difference is same, where we calculate through differences, okay, the second number minus the first number, these kind of series we tell it as arithmetic progression. Whereas the other one where it is a geometric jump, so it is taking a jump in power, so those we call it as geometric progression. Okay. So today we are going to concentrate more on the arithmetic progression and how it behaves, how are we going to calculate, all these things we are just going to have a knowledge about. So let me quickly share my screen. So arithmetic progression was started by one of the famous Indian mathematician and scientist, Dr. S. Ramanujan. Okay, he was the first person who basically defined how to work on arithmetic progression. So if I tell you something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this if I go, so here what is my first number? This is my first number, okay? So this is, we call this as terms. Everyone is a term, okay? Everything is a term. So this is term 1, which we give it as T1. This is term 2, T2. Like this we go. And we have nth term, which is called Tn. Okay, Tnth. So n could be anything. N could be 10, n could be 5, n could be million. So you need to basically tell me what is the nth term. In the question we get it like this only. So this is my series or arithmetic progression. what would be the nth term. Okay. Uh, Till here, is there any question from Lisa or Mary?
Everything is clear. Thank you.
Okay. So now let us go on to little bit depth. So consider we have a rule of 2n plus 1. Okay. This is my rule. Okay. This is my rule. So I have my first term as 1. So what would be my second term be? Can anybody tell what should be my second term be? Any idea?
It's 3. No?
It's 3. So 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. Then after that I will get 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 5. So like this the AP will grow. Okay. So 2 into 3 plus 1. So you will be given a rule and then you have to find the terms. Okay. So this like this, let us do few more maybe. Say I have another rule maybe as, can you tell me what would be the first term be? So T1, can you tell me what T1 can be? Can you calculate, Mary and Lisa, and tell me and then
It's 5.
explain you calculated? Yeah, Mary, can you explain me how you calculated?
Okay, 1.
2 multiplied by n would be
Yes.
1, so 1
Plus.
square,
Yes.
then
Plus
2,
2.
yeah,
Plus
plus 2
1.
into, yes, and then again 1, right? So
Yes.
1 square is 1. So very simple. So 2 plus 2 plus 1. So that is 5. Lisa, can you tell me the second term? What would be the second term be? 2 into 2 square, right? Now my n value is 2. So 2 square. Then I have 2 multiplied by 2 and 1. So 2 square is how much? 4, correct? 2 into 4
4
plus 4
plus 4,
plus 1.
1.
So that is how much? Can you calculate? 8 plus 4 plus 1?
30.
13. This fine? It's good?
Yeah.
So when we were kids, we used to get lot of sums like this, series. So the teacher used to give us a series and then give us like 1, 3, 5. Tell me what would be the next three numbers. Remember, we used to get like this. So these series are also similar type. You just need to regain your, your lower classes thought process again. So it's like fun. It's like game. You just need to basically understand what is the difference. That's the challenging part. You need to understand the difference and then just keep adding that difference to the last number. So with that idea, let me give you what is the formula through which we can do. So Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let me tell you what does that. A means the first number, okay? The first term. N means the total number of terms we have. And d means the difference. This is the formula for finding the tnth term in an AP progression, arithmetic progression. Okay. So let us do an example, then probably it would be a little more clearer. So say I have a sum like this, 3, 5, then 7, 9, 11. Then I have to find the then I have to find the 16th term. 16th term I need to find. So let me just relate this formula and write my stuff. So what is my first term? A equals to first term is 3, right? What is the total number of terms that they have asked me? 16. N is
16.
equal to 16. Yes.
Yes.
And what is the difference? Can anybody tell me what is the difference that you are seeing?
It's 2 maybe.
It's 2. Yes, absolutely. It is 2. So now let me rewrite the formula here once again for our purpose. So we have A equals to 3, N equals to 16 and D equals to 2. I will just put it on my formula. So A equals to 3 plus N minus 1, that is 16 minus 1 into 2. Okay. So 3 plus 16 minus 1 is 15, correct? 15
15.
multiplied by 2 is 30. So 30 plus 3 is 33. So my 16th term of this AP would be equals to 33. So if you do it through your normal sum also, like if you just keep calculating on your fingers, then also you will get it as 33. But only thing that we have brought it down into a formula. Now it's easier for us. We can just use the formula and do it. One last sum we will do. So say this is a very simple one I will give. 1, then maybe I'll give 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. So you need to find me the 10th term. Can you do it for me please? Lisa and Barry? Let me write the formula for your help. So can you tell me what is A here? A is the first term.
Okay, it's 1.
A is 1. What is N?
It's 10.
10. What is D?
It's 2.
2. I will quickly put it on my formula. So that is A is 1, N is 10 minus 1 and multiplied by 2. Right? So 1 plus this is 9. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. So my 10th term would be 19. Okay? Is it clear till here?
Yeah, everything is clear. Thank you.
Great. Okay, we will close here because we have more things to it and we can continue on this in the next class.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Bye bye.
Bye.